Welcome, here I've got Alcatel 3X 2020 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and let's go to the left to more, so we get access to more options about the camera. And here we have to pick this button from the left so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to focus on general settings, and as you can see we have save location information option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom to this button. When we pick this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. To check its location, let's go to the right corner at the bottom to this button, and here let's pick the details. Now we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and here we have the location information with the full address and the map, so greetings from Krakow, Poland. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.